Title: Genius, Unleashing Extraordinary Talent. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word genius. A genius is an exceptionally talented and intelligent individual who possesses extraordinary skills, insights, or creative abilities. It's a term often used to describe those who excel in their respective fields. Pronunciation. Pronouncing genius is simple, genius, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, Albert Einstein is regarded as a genius for his groundbreaking contributions to the field of physics. Importance. Geniuses have played a pivotal role in advancing human knowledge and culture. Their ideas and innovations have shaped the course of history and continue to inspire us. Conclusion. In summary, genius is a word that represents the peak of human potential and the extraordinary impact of exceptional individuals. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, be inspired by the geniuses who have left their mark on the world.